What's up folks, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss the best 5 folding bikes available in 2022, according to their budget, performance, and much more. Take a moment to check out the description below for more details and the current pricing. Dahon Mariner D8. This is convenient to ride, gliding over bumps and shifting fluidly up and down hills. It's made of a lightweight Dalloy Sonus tubeset and a ViseGrip Technology lattice forged hinge. It folds and unfolds quickly and locks securely into both modes. Even better, it has a radius telescope made of forged alloy with fusion technology and a handlebar that can be adjusted for greater comfort. Furthermore, its rear derailleur will allow you to cruise or shift in high gear. In terms of suitability, it can be used for riders ranging in height from 4'9" to 6'2", with a maximum rider weight of 230 pounds. ZiZZO Campo. This is another excellent lightweight, economical aluminum frame folding bike for the final mile of your commute or a free time road trip. Folding is simple, and with practice you can fold this bike in 30 seconds or less. Once folded, the seat post is lowered and can be adjusted as a tripod with 2 wheels to keep it upright. It comes with a folding aluminum alloy stem that is highly adjustable. In addition, it also allows the handlebar to be rotated to best fit your hand position while riding. Again, you can adjust its seat post height as well to find your most comfortable riding position. Its included adjustable alloy clamps could also secure the seat post, handlebar post height, and handlebar brake lever orientation. A rust-resistant coated 7-speed cassette and chain are also provided to make traveling on roads and hills a breeze, while the derailleur attached to the frame with an aluminum hanger will absorb impacts and reduce the likelihood of derailleur damage. IDS Home, unYOUsua. This is a compact, practical, and very affordable folding bicycle that is an excellent choice if you are looking for a folding bike designed for the daily commute, exercising, or just general everyday leisure riding. It is relatively lightweight, weighing in at only 32 pounds, so carrying it around won't be a hassle. When it comes to features, it has a Shimano 6-speed gear system that is controlled by a Shimano RevoShift twist grip shifter on the handlebar. It also has front and rear semi-alloy V-brakes, which are far less expensive and more convenient to repair, replace, and maintain than disc brakes. This bike's front and rear Wanda 20 by 1¾ inch tires make it an excellent choice for everyday use on city streets. Another great feature here is the front and rear fenders, which shield your clothing from dirt, debris, and dirty water, which can be thrown up by the tires, especially when riding in wet conditions. Schwinn Loop. This adult commuter bike packs up small and rides smoothly. It is constructed of a folding steel frame that is both durable and extremely useful for those with limited storage space. It has a 7-speed twist shifter for smooth gear changes, along with front and rear's linear pull brakes for securing stopping. It has a 20-inch alloy wheel with smooth rolling street tires, making it ideal for a weekday commute or a weekend ride around town. Its rear carrier, which includes a heavy-gauge nylon bag, makes hauling your backpack, groceries, or any other item you need to carry on your ride a breeze. When you're finished, you can simply fold the bike into its ultra-compact storage configuration and tuck it away until you're ready to take it again. Additionally, like all Schwinn bikes, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty for as long as you own it. Swagtron Swagcycle EB7. This is a high-quality, long-distance electric commuter bike for adults and teenagers. It is an improved version of its predecessors, with some new exciting features that allow for easier travel with longer ranges than most competitors. It includes a 7-speed transmission and a removable battery as standard. In addition, this upgrade from Swagtron's EB7 Elite includes a longer battery life, which will make your commute easier and more enjoyable. This electric commuter bike can handle rough rides beautifully, thanks to its 16-inch wheels and improved rear suspension. Further to that, there are dual disc brakes, which provide superior stopping power that you can rely on. With the push of a button, you can switch between speed modes and reach top speeds of 18.6 miles per hour. It also has an ultra-bright display, ergonomic paddle-shaped grips for maximum comfort, a bright LED headlight for low-light situations, as well as an electric horn, and rear reflectors for safer travel. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of our new videos.